Hey everyone, quick updated installation video for the RLS Crew Overhaul mod. To make things quick, go ahead and go to the BeamNG forum page in the description for the RLS Crew Overhaul. Head to the download link from GitHub right here. And here you'll find the latest updates and notes on things that we've changed, as well as some more details all about the mod. You're going to go down to the assets here and click on the RLS Crew Overhaul zip. If you want to play on the vanilla map, don't use the overhaul zip. Use the RLS Crew Overhaul no map zip. This will put you on the regular vanilla map, not our standalone custom map. I will note in doing this, you will not have access to the free roam missions and other details we've added. Additionally, if you want to play without roaming police, all you need to do is download and install the RLS no police zip on top of your overhaul mod. Once you've downloaded your zip folders, go ahead and head to your mod folder and just place your zip folders in there. If you need help finding your mod folder, go ahead and open up BeamNG Drive, go to Repository, go to Mod Manager. This will be all the mods that you've subscribed to in the repo or added into your mod folder. Down here, go to Open Mod Folder. This will open up the folder that you need to place the mods in. Um, Here I've chosen to play the overhaul mod and as well as have no police roaming. If you don't want the if you do want the police to be roaming, simply deselect this no police. If you want the if you do not want the police roaming, make sure the RLS no police is active with your RLS crew overhaul mod. In the past, we used to require you to press Control L at the beginning of the game or at the main menu. That's no longer required. You can simply start a new career mode. Old saves should work with the RLS Career Overhaul mod, but always make a backup just in case. You'll know the mod is working if you go to purchase your first vehicle. You see you have $23,000 and 15 free inventory slots. You'll know you're on the correct map if you have all these palm trees right off in the distance past the gas station. Thanks for watching.